Okay, some things to do today. I got a 3x9x40 mount for the PTR, and I want to attach it to this rail here. So I got to find some rings for it. I'm gonna go to Bimart and see if I can find the right pieces. Other thing is, I got this gold pole here, so I'm gonna take that kayak, inflatable kayak I just got out, and see if we can get that thing working. Well, that was a bust. They didn't have anything that mounts to a Picatinny rail. So I guess maybe I'll try the gun broker up north of here. They did have this ridiculously expensive $1 a shot fucking 308. So great, you know. Nothing like running $20 a magazine, huh? Okay, guys. So I did the smart thing, called them, and yeah, they don't have it. So I guess I'll have to drive up there. Closest place I could get it is Fisherman's Marine and Outdoor, and I don't feel like driving up there right now. It's a long drive, and by the time I get back, I'd be going through rush hour traffic. So that would be like an all-day thing. So I'm just gonna go try this kayak out. I guess I'll talk a little bit about the reasoning why I chose a inflatable kayak. See, I'd been looking for a kayak because I live pretty close to Willamette here, and I wanted something that I could, just take out and, just go up the river a little bit, maybe go fishing. And then I started thinking about how I'd have to throw it on the top of my car, and they're kind of heavy, so it'd be hard to transport the thing. So then I started reading reviews on inflatable kayaks, and the views are pretty positive. So the one that I have is branded by Sevlor, I believe. And so I got it for my birthday from my parents, so pretty generous of them. I got this electric pump that I'll show you guys here when I go to inflate this thing, and then it does a pretty good job. Gets this thing inflated pretty quickly. So it's not like it's a real disadvantage having this thing as a inflatable. I mean, when you think inflatable, most people think like one of those little inner tubes, or like the floaties you got in the pool. But this is much thicker plastic, so it's pretty durable. The reviews I've seen online, they really trash on these things. So I think that it's based on people's review, it seems like a good idea. But I'm doing one here for you guys, so hopefully my experience will be positive. But we'll just take it as it goes. Once I get down to the river here, I'll show you guys inflating it. Okay, so now we're down at the river at this little this pump here by the same company that makes the raft. So let me get this thing pumped up here and see how quickly this goes. Okay, I don't know, that was what, like 5 minutes? Not bad. Alright. There's a lot of people out here today. Hopefully I won't get capsized and drown. Just kidding. Carry this thing down there. I'll put this in the case now, so it'll be harder to hear me. So. Trying this thing out. It's a lot more manageable with just one person in, I'll tell you that much. You can actually control it. See some vegetation. See anything down there? I'm gonna go in there a little bit, see what's in there. We're gonna go in there, I mean. Oh, there's fish jumping all over the place over here. One just jumped like 10 feet away from me. Startled me, actually. Something coming to get me. Alright, hopefully there's nothing stabby over here. Let's go. Quiet spot. It's trying to run me over. There's like a houseboat down there or something. I think next time I do this, I will bring a cooler and some water and some beer and maybe a sandwich, because I'm starting to feel pretty thirsty. And I haven't eaten anything today. Besides, I had a couple of cups of tea while I was playing Counter-Strike Go earlier this morning. I can't seem to catch any fish this year, but look at this. I could fucking grab one of these things. Look, they're coming right for me. Look at this. So many fish, I literally could see like 30 or 40, maybe even 50. They're all at least 2 feet long. You could probably see that when I dunked it. Closer. This is very cool. People don't like eating fish out of the land, man. All your crops are watered with it. See, back when humans were around, they polluted the oceans, turned muck, the rivers filled with sewage. Nothing could survive. Dragonflies are in the mud.